What is going on? Welcome to the channel and good morning. Alright, so special video for you all here today. Merry Christmas, first of all. And we are going to be doing a special Christmas drive today here in the snow, rain, freezing rain, sleet, whatever is going on right now. We've got a really nice calm drive this morning. We're looking at about 8 minutes to my destination, trying to get to work. Christmas Eve, of course, we're just in the office for a few hours here, just trying to shut down and get home and then just get on with next year already. So yeah, just wanted to give you all a quick update for the end of the year and kind of what to look forward to for next year. So starting with FSD 13. Ooh, it's here. It's available. It's only out to hardware 4 at the moment, and the word is, according to Ashok on X, the hardware 3 vehicles will be getting 12.5.6 here shortly, and that will include end-to-end, fully on all roads, including highways. And then shortly after that, we would have some version of version 13 likely to follow 12.5.6. And my guess is that version 14 will be something like 14.4, maybe .2.0, who knows. So yeah. And just like that, we are approaching the end of the year, and Tesla did everything that they said they would when it comes to self-driving, except a few things. So let's talk about that here. So number one, hardware 3. Hardware 3 seems to be like the #1 issue for most people right now. And honestly, you see that cop just sitting there in the middle. And honestly, you guys have to remember, there was a shareholder meeting in 2024, and Elon said that if for some reason hardware 3 can't achieve full self-driving, then yes, we will all get upgrades soon. So hang tight, who knows? We all might be getting upgraded to, hardware 4. So there's no need to be complaining, there's no need to be stressing out, there's no need to be like wondering what's going on. My guess is they're probably going to figure out a version of version 13 for it to work on hardware 3. So just hang tight, who knows, just we'll see what they end up sending to us. They pretty much always do this whenever there's like financing deals or special offers from Tesla. So, of course, all of those special offers are active and live for the Christmas season, which is like the main thing for cars is Christmas. If you remember, ever since I was a little kid, it's always about the Christmas commercials for cars. That's usually their time of the year where people are thinking, not really thinking like, oh, let me get a new car, but it's a great opportunity where people's defenses are down and companies just want to market heavy to people, and people are just happy to let them market to them, and people end up buying cars at the end of the year. So yeah, with that being said, it is my car's birthday, actually. Wow, I just realized that it's my car's birthday today. Woo, this is year 4. Actually, I took delivery on Christmas Eve. Wow. So this wasn't even about to turn into a birthday video for my car, but it ended up turning into a birthday video for my car. But yeah, just overall, really satisfactory with Tesla and self-driving. Take a look at this morning. We're driving in some frozen rain. Look, it's 28 degrees and the rain is immediately freezing on my windshield over here. So we're actually going to try to pull up to a charger, and let's see if we can make it there. I'm going to stick our defroster on here because it's really cold. Look at the car switching lanes in the freezing rain on Christmas Eve, in the snow, whatever you want to call this. Self-driving. No traffic out this morning, which is really cool because, of course, not everyone is going to work right now. So overall, really awesome sunrise ahead. As you can see, we're FSDing into the day. And yeah, so when will we get hardware 4? Who knows? I think we're going to get a version of version 13, and maybe there's going to be some moment where it can't keep up with hardware 4 cars, and that's going to be the moment where they're going to be like, all right, we're going to start with like the 2016 cars, and then 2017 cars, and 2018 cars, and 2019, 2020, and I have to wait till 2021 cars. And yeah, so you know what? I'm not even worried because the car drives itself. A lot of people, you know, fail to remember that the car can drive itself. You know, it's like, okay, we don't have 3-point turns yet, but just give it some time. You know, they're gonna figure that out. Whatever, it's just a bunch of cameras that they got to replace. It's not like the car itself can't do these maneuvers. Remember, it's just the cameras. Now, ask yourself, before Tesla was a thing, ooh, we just skidded out over there. Oh my gosh, and FSD did abort because of it. Wow, I'm surprised. That was crazy. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we took. All right, anyways, you know, that goes back to show, you know, every time you get in the car, no two drives will ever be the same. You really have to just be careful whenever you use FSD. It could kick out at any given moment, and you just saw it happen in front of your eyes right there. So really, really just be careful. And yeah, it is getting real icy, and there it goes again. FSD just took out, just aborted, and it looks like, whoa, the car is officially skirting out here, and that is why I had to give it a little test. And I always like to do that with my rear-wheel drive, so I know the stability behind the car. And then yeah, you know, I'm almost thinking I want to turn around and go home at this point, since I'm just about here at work now. And looking how bad the weather is actually, and I didn't even realize it was going to be that bad. I'm actually always looking forward to snow and rain, but when it's like conditions like this, it's actually not the best. So let's see if we can make a right here without skidding out, and see if we can just make it to my destination this morning, and then we should be all good for the day. But yeah, like I said, I would like to actually turn around. FSD somehow, there it goes. And yeah, we're not having a great experience this morning with FSD as soon as the roads became slick. So if anyone from Tesla is watching this video, go ahead and send out the latest version of FSD to all the hardware 3 cars immediately. It's time. You know, I think we need it. It's 2025 now. It's literally, it's time to do it. So yeah, here we are. I'm at my destination. Oh my gosh, the one time that I decide to go ahead and charge, there is someone at the charger on Christmas Eve. You really wouldn't expect that, but anyways, I guess we're heading straight to the job this morning. No charging and a bunch of skidding out. All right, what an awesome looking sky this morning, and I hope everyone has an amazing New Year holiday season. And thanks again for watching, all the support, more videos on the way. 2025, who knows, maybe a Cybertruck, who knows. Thank you all again for watching. We're actually going to park up here for a second so we can just go ahead and end the video. And yeah, Happy New Year to everyone. And I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here as soon as this car comes to a full stop. We'll get that grocery cart over there. And yeah, make sure you subscribe for more. Check me out on Twitter, X as well too. We've got the X on Tesla DMV on X group on my page, so I'll link it below. Thanks again for watching. Have a great, awesome holiday and Happy New Year.